Want to transform your plain apartment walls into stylish statement pieces without risking your security deposit? Today, I'll show you 5 damage-free accent wall ideas you can DIY. Welcome back! If you're renting or just don't want to commit to permanent changes, these apartment-friendly accent wall ideas will give your space personality, color, and style, all while keeping your landlord happy. Definition: an accent wall is simply one wall in a room that stands out from the others, usually through color, texture, or design. It creates a focal point that instantly elevates the look of your space. Why important? Accent walls are important because they add depth, character, and style to a room without requiring a full makeover. For renters, damage-free solutions are key because they're temporary, affordable, and easy to remove. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Removable wallpaper. Peel, stick, and smooth. It's bold and reversible. 2. Washi tape patterns. Create geometric shapes, stripes, or frames with colorful tape. 3. Fabric wall hangings. Stretch large fabric panels with command strips for texture. 4. Peel and stick wood planks. Give a rustic or modern vibe without nails. 5. Gallery wall with frames. Use adhesive hooks to arrange art and photos in a creative way. Tools explained. You'll need scissors, measuring tape, a level for straight lines, command strips, or adhesive hooks, and your chosen materials like wallpaper, fabric, or tape. Workflow. First, measure your wall space and pick the design that best fits your style. Second, prep the wall by cleaning it for smooth adhesion. Third, apply your chosen material, whether it's wallpaper, tape, or fabric. Finally, step back and adjust until everything is even and polished. Quick tips: start with small walls to test your design. Use painter's tape to preview layouts before committing. Always press firmly on adhesive strips for best hold. Cost comparison: traditional painted accent walls can cost anywhere from $50 to $150 with paint, supplies, and touch-ups. These DIY renter-friendly options can cost as little as $10 for washi tape up to around $60 for peel and stick wallpaper, saving you both money and hassle. And that's it: 5 creative and damage-free ways to give your apartment accent walls a makeover. Which idea would you try first? Drop your favorite in the comments, hit like if this inspired you, and subscribe for more renter-friendly DIY transformations.